Hi, Doug Noll here, and I'm sharing 4 key practices that will help you make better decisions by using your emotions. And wait until the last one because it's the juiciest and most counterintuitive. So I want to debunk the myth of rationality. A lot of people think that to make good decisions you have to be a rational thinker, and in fact that's absolutely false. We have lived under this myth of rationality for 4,000 years, and in my opinion it has done more damage and caused more suffering than just about any other concept that humans have ever constructed. So we can go all the way back to Plato, who saw reason and emotion as 2 horses pulling a chariot in different directions while the charioteer struggles to get them to work as a team. Or we have Augustine, Bishop of Hippo, who said if we did not have rational souls we would not be able to believe. And he also allegorized man as the rational and the woman as the non-rational appetitive parts of the soul. Then we have Immanuel Kant, who said that emotions are bad. Emotio is bad. Ratio is good. And so we have gone through this whole 4,000 years of Western philosophy where emotions are bad, they're evil, they're weak, they're irrational, they're wrong. To be emotional is to be not human, to be less than human. And nothing could be further from the truth. What neuroscience is teaching us today is that there's no such thing as rationality, that everything we do is emotional. In fact, neuroscientists are now telling us that we are 98% emotional and only 2% rational. So how does that play into the idea of decision making, which is supposed to be the height of rationality? I mean, if we're using rational decision making. Well, it turns out that emotions have a major role in decision making. And if you are of the school of thought that believes that emotions are bad or evil or weak or wrong, then you are denying yourself your hidden genius that will help you make brilliant decisions. Here's what we know about emotions and decision making. First of all, past emotional knowledge and experience is essential to decision making. We have to have emotional experience that we can draw on when we are forecasting into the future the various decisional choices we have in front of us. And as we look at these alternatives, our brain is creating scenarios, checking out different outcomes, and we're measuring those outcomes based on our past emotional experience. If we didn't have emotions and emotional experience, we would not be able to predict accurately what outcome is going to lead from which decision. Emotions also provide a primary filter that focuses our attention. If we didn't have emotions and if we were not emotionally attuned to what was going on around us, we would have no way of knowing what is important or what is not important. Logic and reasoning and rationality do not lead us to what is important. Emotions tell us what is important. All logic and rationality and reasoning does is give us a methodology for making sure that the decision we're making is grounded in some empirical basis or some basis that we can show to other people so that they can either argue with us or agree with us. But rationality itself does not focus our attention. Emotions link what is known to the motivation to act. So for example, I can know that a rattlesnake is dangerous. But if I don't have the emotion of fear or anxiety, I'm not going to be motivated to move out of the way of that rattlesnake to avoid getting bitten. So it's one thing to know something intellectually. It's something else altogether to have a feeling around that knowing that motivates you to take action. Emotions also provide salience to our decision making. So by salience, I mean what is important and what is not important. Some decisions are very important, other decisions are minor and trivial or mundane. But how do we even begin to choose amongst various choices, which is what the process of decision making is, unless we have some way of weighing the importance or the value of those decisions against something? And it's emotions that provide us with that weighing process. You could have a decision that says, I will make more money if I choose alternative A over alternative B. But if you have emotions involved and you're using them correctly, you might say, but the cost of me doing alternative A or choice A is too high. Therefore, I should choose choice B because I will make less money, but I'll be more satisfied and happy with the outcome. Couldn't do that just on the basis of rationality. So here are my 4 tips for using emotions in decision making. Tip number 1, develop emotional self-awareness. Now I'm telling you what to do. I'm not really telling you how to do it. There is a way to develop emotional self-awareness, and you can do it quite quickly. However, I can't show you in this video, and at the end of the video I'll be giving you a link to one of my courses, Basic Emotional Competency, that will teach you how to develop emotional self-awareness in less than 6 weeks. So the importance of developing emotional self-awareness is that as you are engaging in a decision-making process, you want to know what you're feeling. You want to know what emotional experiences you're having as you weigh the different choices that you have in front of you. And if you don't have emotional self-awareness, if you're not able to specifically articulate or state the emotional experiences that you're having or the emotional experiences you think you might have based on one outcome or another, then it's impossible for you to harness your emotions. You become a slave to emotional reactivity rather than becoming somebody who can use emotions to foster good decision making. Tip number 2, while exploring alternatives, pay attention to the feelings of pleasantness and unpleasantness. So what this means is as you're looking at the various choices you have in front of you, look inside yourself and ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Am I feeling good? Am I feeling anxious? Am I feeling satisfied, dissatisfied, unhappy, frustrated? And pay attention to all of the emotional experiences you're having as you're going through the decision-making experience, because that will help you use your emotions to decide what is going to be the best choice for you to make in the moment. Also pay close attention to the alternative that feels good in high-stakes decisions. What can often happen when we have to make a big decision, like buying a house or buying a car or getting married, is that we'll do what feels good in the moment, as opposed to the better decision, which might be something different. So you don't want to be seduced by what feels good and think that's the right decision, especially when the risk is high or it's an important decision. If it feels good and it's a high-stake decision, then it's probably wrong. And you need to step back and look at it carefully. Tip number 3, be aware of positive and negative urgency. Emotions can easily overwhelm the prefrontal cortex, which is the decision-making part of our brain. And emotional urgency is the impulse to act right now without deliberation. You can have negative urgency, which is aversive. So, for example, you want to back away or run away or get out of something. You want to avoid. Or you can have positive urgency, in which case you want to grab it right now. You want to buy those pair of shoes. You want to go out and buy those trainers, even though they cost $300 and you've only got $50 to your name, so you'll put it on a credit card. So when you feel urgency to make a decision, recognize that emotions are working with you and don't allow that urgency to overwhelm you. Acknowledge the urgency and take a step back and think about it carefully and ask yourself, why am I feeling this urgency? And explore that urgency. Go ahead and dive into it and see what it feels like and try to understand it. Remember, when you're feeling urgent, time is your friend, even if you only have seconds to make a decision. Making snap decisions, impulsive decisions, almost always leads to poor outcome. And finally, and this is really controversial to a lot of people, do not rely on intuition. All the studies show that intuition, taken by itself, leads to poor decisional outcomes. Why? Intuition is nothing more than pattern recognition. And it's a very fast way for our brains to, in familiar circumstances, make quick decisions. So it's very powerful. But the problem is, because it's effortless and it's easy, we tend to go with our gut when we should really be much more deliberative. The studies show, for example, that experts with subject matter expertise are wrong more than 50% of the time when they rely on their intuition. All kinds of errors occur with expertise because people think they know everything, they think they've seen it before, and yet there's something in the situation that does not fit the past pattern. The pattern looks familiar, but it really isn't. So do not rely on your intuition when there's high risk or high stakes or the decision is really important. Take the time to be a little bit more deliberative and feel into the decision and think about it and feel it. Don't make a snap decision. So my name is Doug Noll. I'm a lawyer-turned-peacemaker. I'm an author, speaker, trainer, and visionary. I'm the co-founder of the Prisoners' Peace Project, where we train life inmates how to be powerful peacemakers in maximum security prisons. And I've dedicated my life to helping people live fulfilled lives. If you'd like to learn more about what I talk about, sign up for the Basic Emotional Competence course at https://dougnoll.co emotional competency. And if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.